Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sergio Silva. I have a PhD in pharmacy, and I'm currently a research fellow at the Faculty of Pharmacy in Lisbon University in the lung cancer field. Me and my colleagues from NanoPlex would like to introduce you our first product, the NanoLung. So we have, our company is composed of different people with expertise in the pharmaceutical development and management fields. We have two scientific researchers, myself and Raquel. Anna is our business advisor. We have the support of two mentors, Nuno Serra and Paulo Amaral from the industry, and we also collaborate, have the backup of Professor Mafalda Videira, which is, has been leading the cancer research in Lisbon University for the last 15 years. So what is small cell lung cancer? Small cell lung cancer is the most aggressive form of lung cancer, with an early tendency for dissemination. What this means is that it grows faster and it's more likely to be spread to other organs. Every year around the globe, nearly 250,000 people die from it. There's no cure. And why is this happening? First of all, it's because it's very hard to detect at early stages. So most of the cases, when they are diagnosed, the patients have already experienced an evolution of the disease to a stage 3 or 4, which is beyond cure. This is why more than 95% of the people with this disease live less than 5 years. So what is being done to treat small cell lung cancer? Conventional treatment, or currently employed treatments, involve combined cycles of chemotherapy administered intravenously and also radiotherapy. The problem with these two therapies is that they affect the whole system and they're not specific to cancer cells, as you might know. So this limits the doses that the doctors can actually give to the patients. And even at small doses and reduced doses, lots of side effects occur, such as the hair loss and the skin burns. So I think it's obvious, it's clear that we are facing an unmet medical need. We need an urgent solution that is able to work better and prolong patients' life and at the same time give some quality to their lives. So how to solve this? Here is our solution. The secret is inhalation localized delivery. So with our technology, we are able to deliver the chemotherapeutic agents to the place where they're needed the most, the lungs. And so using a standard inhalator such as this one you can see on the picture, the particles loaded with the therapeutic agents will go down the airways until the lungs, where they accumulate and they will specifically bind to cancer cells. This approach is minimally invasive, is needle-free, directly to the lungs, and because of this, avoids the occurrence of side effects. So how do we do this? The secret is in our particle. The NanoLung is composed of 3 key functional elements: an antibody, a gene therapy modulator, and a well-known anti-cancer drug with proven efficacy. So let me now call your attention to the antibody. The antibody is specifically designed to recognize and target to receptors found only on small cell lung cancer cells. What it does is, when this antibody connects with its receptor, it enables the particle loaded with the therapeutic agents to be taken into the cancer cells. So by doing this, we're actually putting more drug on target without affecting the rest of the body, with obvious benefits in terms of reduction of side effects. So as amazing this is, we know that we're not alone here, and we are aware of other emerging technologies that have been under development. So if something better comes along, we'll be ready to use it. Actually, we're already using some of them, such as the antibody and the gene therapy modulator. So let me now introduce to my colleague Anna, which is going to talk to you about the business development strategy. Anna?
Thank you, Sergio. This is definitely an exciting technology. So let's talk about the business side. Our big market, the non-small cell lung cancer, has over 1.5 million people. And our entry strategy, our target market, is the small cell lung cancer with over 300,000 people. Why did we choose this one as our entry strategy? It's a rare disease. So how are we going to reach this market? We already completed 2 years of basic research, and we're about to do the animal testing. After this, we have stage 2, the clinical trials. And since it's a rare disease, it will take less time and less costs. But we know that we're not going to do this just ourselves. As we look for similar R&D companies, they out-license their products during phase 2 of clinical trials to big pharma companies such as Bristol Myers Squibb and Celgene. And actually, we already talked with Bristol Myers Squibb, and they showed interest in our treatment. But the question now is, why should you invest in us? So, with a 19 million investment, we expect on the 5th year of sales, we expect sales of 900 million. So to wrap up, our product is for patients who have small cell lung cancer, and our product, the NanoLung, is a triple function inhalable nanocarrier that's able to target only cancer cells and kills them. And with that, we're able to save a lot of lives, and how cool is that? So we'd just like to thank you for your attention, and we hope we can talk in more detail later on. Thank you.